If you want to delete autofill passwords in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove saved passwords from Edge so you can clean up old logins, protect your privacy, and keep your browser password list organized. This is really useful if you no longer use a website, you signed in with the wrong account, or you simply want to remove saved credentials from your browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for Passwords and Autofill. This section controls the saved login details, form information, and autofill data stored in Edge. Click Passwords and Autofill to continue. Inside this area, select Microsoft Password Manager. This is where Edge stores your saved usernames and passwords. Now you'll see a list of websites and accounts that have been saved in your browser. Find the website you want to remove. If you have a lot of saved logins, you may need to scroll through the list or search carefully for the right one. Once you locate the correct website, click the arrow next to it to expand the saved entry. This will reveal the account details and the options for that password. After that, click Delete. Edge will remove that saved password from Microsoft Password Manager, which means it will no longer autofill that login for you. If you want to remove more saved passwords, just repeat the same process for each website you no longer want stored in Edge. This is a great way to keep your password list tidy and make sure only the accounts you actually use are saved. And that's it. You've now deleted autofill passwords in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one.